Hi guys, so I attended a wedding a few days ago. It was my cousin's wedding and I used the Maybelline and Gigi collection to create this look. So yeah, I recorded this tutorial and I'll show you the collection first and then we will move on to the tutorial. So this is the collection. The second part of the collection, I've already reviewed the first part. We have two tinted primers, light to medium and medium to deep, and we have two illuminators, iridescent and gold, and your other swatches. And we have four eyeshadow palettes in total, two eyeshadow palettes and two eye contouring palettes, which has like all matte shades. Eyeshadow palettes in this collection are like absolutely amazing. They are super creamy, buttery and pigmented. All the swatches you will see are just one swipe each. And this is the warm eye contouring palette, which has all matte shades. And this is the cool eye contouring palette, again all matte shades. And this is the warm eyeshadow palette, which is a mix of matte and shimmer. Like there are like three matte shades and three metallic shimmery shades, and the same in the cool eyeshadow palette. The cool eyeshadow palette I feel is slightly more pigmented than the warm one, but all the eyeshadow palettes are like pretty amazing. I'm using the light to medium tinted primer first. Now this primer is not very pore filling, but it is absolutely long lasting. I wore this makeup from 12 in the morning to 11 at night and it looked pretty good throughout the day. I just touched up once with powder like before the reception, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation mixed in with the two illuminators, that is the gold and iridescent. Now the illuminators are like not very highlighty kind, but they are I think similar to what you can say like MAC Strobe cream. You can use it below your foundation or mix it with your foundation. It gives a nice dewy look to the skin. And I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. Now this is supposed to be the dupe of Tarte Shape Tape, but I don't feel this is as pigmented as the Tarte Shape Tape, but nonetheless it is very good for the price. These are priced at around I think £5.75 in India. They are £4 in UK. I got it from hokmakeup.com and my shade is C7. I got a slightly lighter one to highlight my under eye area, and they come in 18 shades, which is like absolutely amazing. And I'm setting the concealer with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette, the yellow banana powder. And moving on to the eyes, now I'm only using the warm eyeshadow palette in this look. I'm taking this taupey brown shade and defining my crease, and next I'll add this matte peachy brown shade again in my crease. And next I'll take this shimmery gold shade all over my lid. Now it has an obvious yellow warm undertone since it is a warm eyeshadow palette, and I'll add it a few times until I'm happy with the desired intensity. You can also dampen the brush with a setting spray of Fix Plus and apply the shadow, but I feel it was pigmented enough, though it has a little bit of fallout as you can see. I'm adding this matte purpley black shade in the outer corner to smoke out the outer corners, the outer V, and I'll be taking the same color on the outer 1/3 area of my lower lash line and joining the two, as you can see here. And I'm taking the same shimmery gold shade in the inner 2/3 part of my lower lash line, and I'm adding a pop of the peachy pink at the center and the shimmery white shade in the inner corners and my brow bone area to highlight. And for my lips, I'm using the Colorbar Unicorn Fantasy collection. Now this is a limited edition collection, and I'm using the shade Daydream, which is a nice medium rosy pink shade. The packaging of this collection is absolutely amazing. There are like 4 lipsticks and 6 nail paints in total. The nail paints are priced at $350 and the lipsticks are priced at $850 each. These are super creamy and pigmented and very comfortable on the lips, and they stay put for quite decent number of hours, but they are like not transfer proof. They do transfer, so you will need to reapply. And yeah guys, this is the final look. I hope you like this look. Do let me know what you thought of this look in the comments below, and yes, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We crossed 6,000 subscribers and I've already announced the first winner of the giveaway. The second will be announced at 6,500. So yeah guys, participate in the giveaway, and yeah, thank you for watching and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.